Welcome to this tutorial where we are going to speak about the popular if function. I'm calling it popular because that's the function that is mostly used in any Excel operation. So I'm going to delete this. Actually, not delete. Let's just put here age, and then we say alcohol. Double click here to increase the size to fit perfectly. So basically, we just want to check here if the age given here is greater than 18, then what is the value if true? We want to say the person is an adult, and then comma, then it asks you what if the value is false? We want to say not adult, then close, boom, it says not adult because there's nothing here. If I put 18 years, not an adult. So because our condition said greater than 18, if I said greater or equal to 18, greater or equal to 18, it says an adult because it includes 18. If I do 17, it says not an adult. If I do 20, it should change to an adult. So that's how to use the if function, and it's not limited for us to just use it on checking whether someone is an adult or not. Sometimes we can check if something is greater than 50%. Let's say here we say if, okay, it asks you what's the logical test. If this is greater than 0.5, because it doesn't realize the percentage sign, or we will use it and see if it does. If 0.5 50% is 0.5, then value if true, we say over. If comma, then if value is false, we say not, and that's it. Then close, boom, it says over. If I drag this formula down, you see this one is below 50, this one is below 50. Let me see if here it can accept to do 50%. It says over. Excel has really improved with this case. Nice. So you can actually put in here 50%. Okay, so that's how to use the if function. See you in the next tutorial where we are going to speak about charts, and it's basically just an introduction to charts. See you then. Bye bye.